Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
If your banana bread recipe calls for baking soda, replace each 1 teaspoon baking soda with 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon baking powder. Baking powder contains both acid and base, so you do not need to add vinegar or extra buttermilk to trigger rise. Because baking powder can add slight saltiness, reduce added salt by about 1/4 to balance flavor. Use single-acting or double-acting baking powder. Double-acting gives 2 bursts of lift during mixing and oven heating for a reliable rise. To compensate for less chemical leavening, create mechanical lift. Whip 2 egg whites to soft peaks and fold them gently into the batter at the end. Start by creaming 1/2 cup butter with 1/2 cup sugar until light, then beat in 1 whole egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Fold in 1 cup mashed ripe bananas and 1/2 cup milk or yogurt for moisture. Gently incorporate 2 cups flour with the substituted baking powder so you do not deflate the whipped whites. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Pour batter, smooth the top, and bake 50 to 60 minutes. Test with a toothpick. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Cool the loaf in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack to stop carryover cooking and preserve crumb texture. For a softer crust and extra flavor, brush the warm top with 1 tablespoon melted butter and let the bread cool completely before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.